So I found these hair rollers at the Dollar Tree. Yes, the Dollar Tree, and they were $1. Obviously, it comes with 6 hair rollers, and they have 3 different sizes, like a small, like a thinner size, but it's like longer, and then they have like a medium size and a thicker size. I already have my hair twisted up from like, I don't know, life. I just twisted it up, and I realized I don't have any like holding, like no gel, like no products except for this detangler and then the curling souffle, the gel, and I'm not about to put gel in my head, so I'm going to use a little bit of this detangler just to kind of give it some hold and to detangle a little bit, and we're going to see what these are talking about. Okay, and I got, how many did I get? I got 6. Yeah, I got 6 of these total. I have a few of the big ones, and I have 2 of the like medium size, and how many did I get? Actually, I got 5. So I have 5 of these. I got 3 of like the smaller sizes and 2 of the like medium size. Let's get started. Start with the ones in the back. Comb this out. Put a little bit of detangler on it. Okay, so I actually ended up using every single flexi rod, every single one. So perfectly, my hair was sectioned off. I had no idea, so that was pretty cool. Yeah, so I actually ended up with like the big, 1 set of the bigger size, 2 sets of the medium, and 2 sets of the small. And I wish I would have realized that before I started, or I would have put like the itty bitty ones in the back, and then medium, and then large, so that I can have more volume at the top and like a little tighter in the back. But it is 3:30 p.m. so I'm gonna give this, I don't know, almost 24 hours and see how it's set. I want to give it enough time to actually hold the curl. Once again, all I had was this detangler, so we'll see if it gives it the hold that it needs to, you know, set the curls. I'm excited. I'm a little nervous, but we'll see. Okay, so it's been exactly 24 hours, like almost to the minute. So 1, I forgot how hard it was to sleep in flexi rods, rollers, the worst sleep I've gotten in a very long time. And I have an infant, so I don't get good sleep very often. And the second thing, these little things right here, actually one of them fell off. I found it in the bed. I don't know which one it belongs to. We're gonna find out when we unroll it. So I don't know how this is gonna look. I have a feeling this is gonna turn out crazy. I'm nervous. So let's just get started. I don't even know what to say. I feel like I'm gonna look crazy, and I don't even say that because it's the flexi rods are $1. I just say that because I just don't think they're just gonna turn out good. But we will see. There's number 1. And I went ahead and put not a bunch, but I went ahead and put makeup on just in case it wasn't looking that hot. You know, I can try to, you know, feel some type of way. Okay, it's not as tight. This is actually one of the smaller sizes too. So as you can see with the smaller size, it's really not that tight of a curl like I thought it would be. So let's just keep going. Oh my gosh, nope, 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 nope. This is, I don't know what this is, but it's not gonna be cute. It's not gonna be cute, nope. No, I'm gonna be looking like, nope. I'm gonna be looking like when you get your hair done when you were a little child before Easter, and you thought it was gonna be pressed real cute, but it turned out not cute at all. This is no, I can't. This is the bigger size I just took out. I think it was this one. It don't even feel dry, even though my hair wasn't even wet. Like, what is this? What is this? Y'all, what is this? What is this? It ain't cute. I look dusty. What is this? What is this? What is it? Where? I don't understand. What am I supposed to do with this? I don't get it. I don't get it. Like that low key looks, I don't know what that looks like. Like what? Like look at that. Look. I don't know what to say. Should I separate them? Like, okay, let's separate them and see where this goes. I mean, I don't even know what there is to separate at this point. Like, I'm mad I wasted my money. I'm not saying this is the Dollar Tree roller's fault. I'm not saying that, because I obviously have had some issues with my hair keeping hold of anything, like twist outs, braid outs, because my texture changed with my pregnancy and my hormones and stuff. But seriously, if I would have known this, I would not have. I mean, look, it was only $1, and what I purchased like 5-pack, 6-pack, so $6 worth. But this is not. What is this? Like, I look like Shirley Temple wannabe. I look like Howdy Doody. I look like. It's not even worth it. Like, it's not even like I can say, oh, I lost sleep in these rollers, but at least it look alright. No, like, it's not even worth it. I wanted curly hair. I wanted what flexi rods are supposed to do for you, which was curl your hair. What is this? Okay, this is kind of looking better. I don't know. I'm in Tennessee. Maybe it's the humidity. You know how like humidity does affect your hair, like off the bat. Like, it don't matter how long it's been. If it's humid, your hair is gonna be puffy and fluffy. And I mean, I'm so glad I put makeup on, or I would have looked like, I don't even know what I would look like. I would look like a road strap. This is not cute. This is not cute. No. Thank you. This is what it turned out like. I don't even know what to say. I can't recommend it. I can't bash it either, because I don't know if it's my hair. I don't know if it's my technique. I don't know if it's because I did dry hair instead of wet hair. Even though my hair feels wet, I don't know, because I used the detangler. I don't know. If you have used these before, how did they turn out for you? How did the dollar rollers turn out for you? Like, I'm almost tempted to buy the name brand full price kind just to see how it turns out. But I don't want to risk losing more money just for it to be me, just because it's my fault. I'm not doing something right. But I used to do these all the time, y'all. All the time. Like, y'all, let's see if we can save this. Like, some of this has a little bit of curl right here. Like, on the end here has like a little bit of curl. But no, this is not. It's enough for me. Okay, so yeah, I went back. I tried to do some baby hair. I tried to do something to this. This is just, it ain't. It's. I looked back at the footage and it was a little bit okay when I started separating it, but then it just no. I don't know what it is. I'm gonna assume that it's my hair, because I feel like every hair video, hair tutorial that I have done to like define curls, get curls, braid out, twist out, it does not matter. It just seems like my hair is just not holding that like it used to. So I'm gonna assume it's me, and I'm gonna try something different with my hair from now on. I'm going to go on the, let's do the, what's it called? Protective styling route, because these twist outs, braid outs, roller set outs, flexi rod outs, it's not working for you, girl. So my next hair video will be a protective style video, because this is not it. This ain't it. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.